Look, if you're watching this video right now, you're probably scrolling through YouTube trying to figure out what online business you should start in 2026. And I'm going to be brutally honest with you. 99% of what you've been told is complete dog shit. There's no other way of saying it. Most people online are gonna steer you in the completely wrong direction because they have no idea what they're talking about. But I'm about to break down the actual best online business model for beginners, and it's probably not what you think. So pay attention, because this could literally change your entire financial future. Before we get into it, let me give you some context on why you should even listen to me. I'm in my early 20s, and I've built a business that's generated thousands of dollars per day in profit. Not revenue, profit. That's money that actually goes in my bank account. And I didn't do it with some complicated system or some genius idea that nobody else thought of. I did it by focusing on the right business model from the start, the model I'm about to share with you. So let's talk about all the business models that everyone keeps pushing on you and why most of them are trash. First up, dropshipping. It's one of the first businesses I ever tried. Everyone and their mom is talking about dropshipping. Start a Shopify store, find products on AliExpress, run some Facebook ads, and boom, you're rich, right? Wrong. Dropshipping in 2026 is a goddamn nightmare. Your profit margins are terrible, usually 5 to 20% if you're lucky. You're dealing with suppliers in China who take 3 weeks to ship products. Customers are getting angry because their stuff takes forever to arrive. Not to mention, you're competing with thousands of other stores selling the same products. And Facebook ads are expensive as hell right now. Everyone's doing it, so the cost per click and per lead and per buyer just keeps going up and up and up, especially in e-commerce. And here's the worst part. You need money up front. You need money for product testing. You need money for ads. You need money for your Shopify subscriptions, not to mention the other softwares you need. And they tend to be on the more expensive side. You need money for apps and plugins. And most beginners just don't have that kind of capital to just burn through while they're figuring things out. You don't know how many people I've seen spend $5,000, $10,000 on dropshipping and make nothing back or just a few grand. It's brutal. And even if you do make it work, you're basically running a customer service job, dealing with extremely high refund rates because it's shit products that take forever to arrive, and complaints and shipping issues all day. That's not freedom. It's a massive headache. Then there's all this AI stuff everyone is hyping up. AI this, AI that, use ChatGPT to build a business, use AI to create AI-generated content, use AI to automate everything. And look, AI is awesome, I have to admit it, but it's a tool. It's not a business model by itself. People are out here trying to sell AI-generated coloring books on Amazon, or AI-written articles, or AI-created designs. And the problem is, everyone else is doing the exact same thing. There's no barrier to entry. If you can do it, 10,000 other people can do it too. And that means the market gets flooded and nobody makes money. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Amazon FBA is another one. People love talking about Amazon FBA. And yeah, some people have made decent money with it, but most people sure as hell haven't. And do you know how much money you need up front? Close to tens of thousands of dollars. You need to buy inventory. You need to ship it to Amazon warehouses. You need to pay for storage fees. You need to pay Amazon's cut, which is also big. And you're competing with giant brands and Chinese sellers who can undercut your prices all day long. Plus, Amazon can just copy your products or ban your account whenever they want. They can change the rules. They can decide your product violates some random policy and boom, your entire business is gone overnight. I know someone this happened to. You have no control. Affiliate marketing sounds good in theory. You promote other people's products, you make commissions, you don't deal with any inventory, customer service, etc. But the reality is, most affiliate programs pay you garbage. 5%, 10, maybe 20% commissions, and those products usually cost $20-$30. So you need to make a ton of sales just to make decent money. And you're building your entire business on someone else's platform. If they decide to cut your commission rate or shut down their affiliate program, you're done. You have no leverage. You're just a middleman making pennies while someone else makes the real money. Not to mention, you're doing the hardest part of the job, acquiring traffic at a profit. Now let me tell you about the actual best business model for beginners in 2026. I'm not gonna hold anything back. High-ticket information products like courses, consulting, or services. This is what I do. This is what actually works, and here's why. First, the profit margins are insane. We're talking 80 to 98% profit margins. So when I sell a consulting package for $2,000, for example, most of that is profit. There's no cost of goods, there's no inventory, there's no shipping. Now maybe there's the ad cost if I run some ads, but that's it. There's no supplier taking a cut, it's mainly profit. Compare that to dropshipping, where you're lucky to keep 5 to 20% after all your costs. It's not even close. Second, you need zero upfront capital. You don't need to buy inventory. You don't need to rent a warehouse. You don't need fancy equipment. All you need is your knowledge and your time. That's it. You can start this business today with nothing but a laptop and an internet connection. So there's no excuses about not having enough money to start. If you have a knowledge or a skill that can help people solve a problem, you can start making money immediately. Third, you have complete control. You're not dependent on Amazon not banning you. You're not dependent on Facebook ad costs staying low. Since you sell high ticket, you can absorb the cost of advertising way more easily. You're not dependent on some supplier in China shipping products on time. You control everything. You control your pricing, you control your offers, you control who you work with, and that control is priceless. Here's how this actually works. You pick a skill or knowledge area that you're good at or that you can learn quickly. It could be anything: social media marketing, sales, copywriting, video editing, web design, business consulting, fitness coaching, dating advice, literally anything where people have problems and are willing to pay for solutions. Then you package that knowledge or skill into a service or consulting offer, and you charge premium prices for it. So not $20, not $50, not $500, real money, $1,000 at the bare minimum, ideally $2,000 to $10,000 plus, because you're solving real problems for people and real solutions are worth real money. And before you say, oh, but I don't have any experience, or nobody's gonna pay me that much, or I have nothing to sell, let me stop you right there. You do not need 10 years of experience. You just need to know more than the person you're helping. If you're just 3 steps ahead of someone, you can help them take those 3 steps. And right now, there's millions of people online who are behind you in whatever skill or knowledge you have. They need your help. They're willing to pay for it. You just need to show them you can solve their problem. The beauty of this model is that you can start getting results fast. You don't need to wait 3 months for your dropshipping store to maybe be profitable. You don't need to wait for Amazon to approve your products. You can land your first client this week if you actually put in the work. I've seen complete beginners land their first $1,000 clients within 30 days of starting. That's the power of high-ticket offers. I've personally helped people like my client Azar, who came to me with no clue on how to do this business initially. He worked a regular job, and he went on to make $10,000 a month consistently, so not just one time, every month, within just 90 days of working together, and later on scaled to more than $23,000 per month, mainly profit. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. When you're making 80 to 98% profit, you don't need that many clients to make serious money. So let's do the math. If you want to make $10,000 a month and you're selling a service, let's say, for $2,000 with 98% profit margins, you need 5 clients per month. 5. It's about 1 client per week. Compare that to dropshipping, where you'd need to make like $50,000 to $100,000 in revenue just to net $10K after all your costs. Which one sounds easier? Plus, high-ticket services and consulting also have built-in scalability. You start by doing one-on-one work, for example. You help your first clients get awesome results. You get testimonials. Then you can create group coaching programs. You can even create information products like online courses. If you sell a service, you can hire people to deliver the service for you. You can build an actual business that doesn't require you to do all the work. Try doing that with dropshipping. You're always gonna be dealing with orders and suppliers and customer complaints. And let's talk about the lifestyle aspect, because that matters too. If you're like me, then the whole reason you want to start a business in the first place is so you can have a lot more time, location, and financial freedom. When you're running a high-ticket service business, you're working with real people. You're building relationships. You're making an actual impact. You're helping people solve real problems and improve their lives or their businesses. That's fulfilling. That means something. Compare that to dropshipping, where you're just shipping random products to random people who forget about you 5 seconds after they get their package. There's no meaning in that. There's no purpose. Now, I know some people will be skeptical and think this sounds too good to be true for the simple reason that they haven't experienced anything like it before. It's hard to believe you can make tons of money online before you do it yourself. If you're thinking, oh, if it's so easy, why doesn't everybody do it? The answer is simple. Most people are lazy. Most people want what looks to be the easy path. They want to click a few buttons and make money instantly. That's why people love the idea of dropshipping. They don't want to learn a valuable skill or partner with somebody who has one. They don't want to get good at something. They don't want to sell. They don't want to talk to clients. They want some secret AI automation system that runs on autopilot. And that's exactly why most people stay broke. The people who actually make money online are the ones who are willing to do what others won't. Learn real skills, provide real value, charge what they're worth, put yourself out there, have actual conversations with potential clients. That's the difference. And if you're willing to do those things, high-ticket services and consulting is the fastest path to real money online. It can bring you more fulfillment and more money than you ever dreamed of. I'm dead serious. This business changed my life and the lives of hundreds of people. I'm talking about people I've personally talked to and helped. So if you want to make money online, you need to stop doing this. Stop wasting time on dropshipping, Amazon FBA, all these other business models with terrible margins and a high startup cost. Pick a skill that you have or that you can learn fast. Package it into a service or a consulting offer. Price it between $1,000 all the way to $10,000 plus and start reaching out to potential clients. That's it. It's not very complicated. It just requires you to actually do it instead of watching more YouTube videos about random shitty business models. In 2026, the opportunity has never been bigger. There are more people online looking for help than ever before. There are more problems to solve than ever before. And if you position yourself as someone who can solve those problems, you can make more money than you ever thought possible, with profit margins that would make any traditional business owner jealous. All of that with zero upfront investment, with complete control over your business. No investors breathing down your neck, no stress of having to repay the bank loan. So stop making excuses. This is the easiest path. That's how you win in 2026. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.